Okay. So how are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm fit as fiddle. What about you?
I am fine. I am very fine. I am good. So where are you from, ma'am?
I'm from Haryana.
Haryana, Haryana Indian?
Yeah,
Okay. So
Southern India.
I am from Pakistan province, Balochistan, district Nasirabad.
Okay. Well,
Yes,
welcome to India.
yes. Okay. Okay, so I mean, 2 days ago I tried to connect to you, but I have a very poor network connection, and you talked one boy whose name is Farman Ali. Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah. I was,
so
yes.
he is my brother.
Okay, okay. You both are practicing for English, huh?
Yes. Of course, I am practicing speaking English.
Very good, very
So
good. Both are, that's
he is
right.
he is free and he is studying in grammar academy, but I have no time. I am doing work at a cold drink Korean store, grocery shop.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
And you run your own YouTube channel also, right?
Yes, yes, yes. No, I am learning speaking English from YouTube. But man,
Have you recently started your channel?
oh, no, I have started YouTube channels 1 month ago.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I saw your conversation with Arun sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, yes, in my mobile also there are 20 to 25 other YouTubers subscriptions are there. I have subscribed other channels. So
Yes.
usually I watch their conversation. So I found your conversation with Arun sir.
Yes, ma'am. So you have YouTube channels.
Yeah.
So how long time you have YouTube channel?
I started my YouTube channel in 2022.
210. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
I
so
think so I think I am talking to you first time. So please introduce about yourself.
yeah. We both need introduction of each other. Okay, so let me
Okay.
start first. I'm Preeti and I'm from Haryana, India. And I'm a teacher in a school. I teach English and SST there. And apart from my teaching, I run my two YouTube channels. One is Easy Way to Learn with Preeti, that is my study channel. And another one is Easy Way Vlog, that is my vlogging channel. That's all about me. If you want to ask more questions, feel free to ask.
Okay. So take my introduction by myself. So I am Irfan. I am from Pakistan province, Balochistan district, Nasirabad. My education is 10th class. I have done. Currently, my education is going on. I am learning from YouTube channels. I didn't join any academy to learn English. So I do work at grocery shop. My elder brother. That's of all my introduction by myself.
Yeah, that's great. You are away from your study, but yes, now again you realize the value of English, and you are working in a shop as well as you are learning English. So that's really nice, and it will be beneficial for you. So I just want to ask one question: why you want to learn English? Is there any need, or is just your passion?
So, ma'am, in English language, I have learned. I want to learn this language in school times. I was at in 8th class, so I want to learn this language. I have not opportunity. I see many people speak English and so perfect speak English, and I think people speak English perfect, but why not I speak English? This reasons I am speaking English, and English language is my favorite language.
Yeah, I was saying you are working somewhere else, but it's your childhood passion. You just want to learn your English because English is your favorite language, right?
Yes, yes. English
Okay.
my favorite.
Okay. So how much time you do practice for English?
So, I am practicing these days 1 day 1 hour, half hour, 1 hour, half hour. But I have time is less. This reasons I can't practice long time, and I in 1 day 1 hour, half hour, 1 hour, half hour
Hmm.
I practice.
I think, yeah. Earlier we can say all these things like I have no environment, I can't, I have no time, like I'm
Yes,
working where I'm a home waker, I'm a professional, I'm working somewhere, I'm on government job. So what are these? These are excuses right now because we have this social media, we have a great platform of YouTube, and we have the opportunity to connect with other strangers and with experts on Skype also. So nowadays, I think we can't say like I have no time because this is just an old excuse. So somehow or anyhow, you just want to remove and rectify your this excuse. You just
yes, yes.
want, yes, you just need to get alternative for your excuse. Alternative in the sense like you just need to make the timetable because you are
Yes.
working. You told like you are working in your elder brother's shop, right?
Right, 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 ma'am.
Okay. So yes. So I think there can you can sit there and you can easily get 1 hour or two hour daily for practice. Practice in the sense like there are Skype apps that is totally free. You can connect with strangers anytime according to your availability. And
Yes,
first,
yes.
what is the first step for listening any for learning any language? Do you know?
So I am learning. I think first language English. I speak. I know Urdu and Hindi, but I don't read Hindi. I speaking Hindi. I know and Urdu. My mother language Siraki, Balochi, Sindhi. I am learning this language English.
Hmm. Yeah, you are learning. And yesterday, your brother did conversation with me, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just saying, try to do practice with your brother because he is also learning. He is also learning English. You are also learning English. So you both can do practice. And I think
Okay.
for learning any language, you just need a partner.
Yeah, ma'am. But reason is that. He work at home and I do work at shop. So I come at shop. I think at p.m. and
Okay.
I will go 11 a.m. and that time he sleep. So I have not time. And he work home and he go to academy, computer academy, and other work. This reasons he have not, and I have not that work. He free.
Mm-hmm. Usually the timing is not matched with your brother, right? Because
Right,
you
right,
spend most of your time in the show and your brother most of the time stay away from the house and at house.
right, right. So I am this time free, and he this time go at academy.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem. I think because you both are the beginners, you both are learning English. So I think, in the learning stage, in beginning stage, the most important thing is listen others' conversation. Okay,
Right.
try to listen. Yes, try to listen other YouTube conversation as much as you can listen. Always try to spend more and more time for listening.
Right. So, ma'am, he can't speak. I said that this about these applications, and he talked to you first time. Uh, I taken that mobile and I installed these applications. I said him, you talked in these applications, and this application is beneficial applications. He studying in academy, I think, from 1 years, but he unable to speak English. So I
Mm-hmm.
said, you can speak these applications and you will be able to speak English. Uh, Many friends uh, studying in college, but they can't speak English. He know all grammar rules, but
Mm-hmm.
he unable to speak English.
And the most, yes, I think the biggest reason behind this agitation, nervousness,
Right, right,
and
right.
that.
First of all, I feel hesitate, and
Mm,
first time I open camera and I feel hesitate, and after that I closed camera and closed call. I didn't talk. Uh, After that, slowly I started to speak English, and other people's face to face, online. Right now, I can speak, but I make some mistake, grammatical.
mm, yeah, I
Yes,
think first step is confidence. First, don't bother about the grammar. Don't talk about the grammar rules and regulations because most of human beings do grammatical mistakes in starting. It is a general problem. But the most important thing, be comfortable. And for comfortable, you just remove your hajj. Be comfortable. Be comfortable. Like always think, I'm a learner. Everyone is learner because there is no such age for learning. Okay, lifelong we are learning anything. Like we are learning. I'm also teacher in a school. Even then, I always think I'm a learner. Every day I'm learning something new.
yes,
Because
yes,
if you will not keep this philosophy of learning, you can't learn new things. A teacher
yes,
should
yes,
be updated with the time. So every day we are learning new techniques. Earlier, before Corona, we were not habitual to face this camera.
yes, yes,
Even I started my YouTube channel after Corona in 2022. So
yes,
continue. I'm running my channel from last 2 years. Okay, so that's why this is a change. Maybe after 2 years, if you are doing practice, if you will do practice on regular basis, after 2 years, you will definitely found drastic change in yourself.
yes, yes. Uh, yes. So I one time I asked one name whose name is Karishma Chuan. You know Karishma Chuan?
Yeah.
Yes. So I will text her on YouTube comment. I asked her which application you use uh, to conversations. So he reply me, I use Skype. After that upload, I installed these applications and set these applications, but I try to many times connect people's. One time I connect Karishma Chuan. He said, currently you unable to speak English. So you need to practice speak English, and after that I will talk to you. And I installed these applications. I movies and recording movies on YouTube, and I think I thought how to people speak other countries and other cities face to face online. I many times was thinking.
Mm-hmm.
One day I asked Krishna Chuan. He said, I use Skype. Skype is best applications, and no charge is free.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, she's a good YouTuber, and usually I watch her conversation. And always remember, we use he for male, like for boys, and she for girl. Okay, because
Yes,
during conversation and during speaking, yeah, you are also doing the mistakes. I think everyone do mistakes. Don't haggle up about all these things. Okay,
yes,
for the so I just want to say one thing. You are at the beginning stage. Okay. In this
yes,
beginning stage, you just need an environment of English. So don't
yes,
think
yes,
any expert YouTuber will get the chance, will give you the chance to talk to you. So always try to create your own environment surrounding you. How you can create that environment? Always try when you are sitting in the shop, always try to think in English in your mind. Like
yes,
there are many things which are putting around you in the shop. So always try to think about those things, those packets, and try to make sentences. Okay, try to make sentences by yourself. Think in English and speak in English. This is the
yes, yes,
for practice. In starting,
yes,
you just do this. Okay, no
yes,
need to get the opportunity to how can I connect with an expert, how can I connect with the others. Only then I
yes.
can practice. Yeah, I will do practice tomorrow and tomorrow. Yeah, these all things are the procrastination.
I don't go college. I do work at shop. I have not time, and I have additional. I mean, do work in my place. So I do work in shop. I don't go college. I have done examinations. 11th class. I done examinations, and I will sing the 12th examination. I will do.
Procrastination means
So my young brother do go college and studying, but I don't go college. I don't read. I watch movie and sometimes I read newspaper on mobile website.
Mhm.
On mobile site, which vocabulary and which word difficult and I don't know that means. So I search in dictionary and this means this pronunciations this means but I think my pronunciations and my speaking English a little weak and I make a mistake.
hmm. Yeah, definitely. If you are making the habit of reading, always try to underline new words, okay? And then try to find out the meaning. You can use Google, okay? You can use
Yes,
Google. You can find out the proper pronunciation of that word and try to find out the meaning also. And then always make your notebook, okay? Make a notebook like a diary and one pen. Whenever you others conversation and whenever you are trying to do conversation with others, so always write down some main points in the notebook. Like a
yes,
student,
yes.
you are a student.
Yes, yes, right,
Okay,
right.
this is a
So do you know newspaper?
sorry.
I said, do you know reading newspaper?
Yeah,
Read
reading
news.
is also a good habit. Reading newspaper is also a good habit. If you have time and if you have English newspaper, you can read on daily basis. Yes, reading is also good. Reading is so nice. Like reading newspaper or reading book. Any
Right.
type of reading you can start. You can start fiction, novels, anything.
Okay, okay. So, ma'am, I will talk to you next time. Right now, I will go at shop. Okay, ma'am.
No problem. Yeah, we are going to wrap up the session. So thank you so much. Have a nice day to you.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.